The idol of Lord Krishna in this temple is believed to have a pulse. The temples of India. India is a land of temples, gods, religions, and beliefs. And in every 1 kilometer, you will surely spot a temple, big or small, old or new, of Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu's, or maybe a home to them all. And these temples are also filled with stories, legends, beliefs, ancient miracles, and much more. In fact, in one Indian temple, it is believed that the idol of Lord Krishna is alive, living among his devotees, and performing miracles. The charm of Lord Krishna. The charm of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is one of the most beloved gods for Hindus around the world. He is not just the ideal god who is strict, grants boons, and considers devotees after severe penance. He is also the mischievous little fellow who used to steal, Makan Mishri, from pots and roam around Vrindavan as a Gwala. He is a god, a friend, a lover, a guide, a protector, and much more. And so, from his playful moments with the gopis in Vrindavan to his powerful role in the Mahabharata, Lord Krishna's avatars have always shown a different side of him. A temple in Rajasthan. And in between all the charm and mischief, there is a temple in Rajasthan where it is believed that Lord Krishna is alive and wears a wristwatch. In Jaipur, there is a Ghadiwale Gopinath temple where on the hands of Lord Krishna is not just his flute and his flowers, but also a watch that people believe works because of Lord Krishna's pulse. The legend of a British man. As per reports and legends, decades ago a British officer had visited this temple and was surprised by people's belief that the idol was alive, and that Lord Krishna lived inside the idol. To prove to the people that it was just a statue, the officer brought a watch that only worked with the pulse of a living man, and made the idol wear it. And to everyone's surprise, the watch started ticking, proving to the British man that the idol had some form of energy. Is the idol really alive? Well, nobody can answer if the idol is alive or not, but according to beliefs and stories of the past, there sure is some form of energy in the idol. People also say that the idol was a Swayambhu, which means nobody created or shaped it, it came out of the earth, on its own. And so for the devotees, the answer is a clear yes, because to them Lord Krishna resides everywhere. And for the skeptics, there is no God, let alone a God that finds home inside an idol. Other miracles of Lord Krishna. With the legends and stories of the Ghadiwale Gopinath temple, one should note that this isn't the only temple of Lord Krishna that is filled with miracles. There is also the Banke Bihari temple, where it is believed that Lord Krishna is in his childlike form, and when he looks at a true devotee for too long, he goes along with them to keep them company and be with them. There is also Nidhivan, a large forest-like area filled with monkeys, ducks, other animals, and even twisted trees that are believed to be gopis. In Nidhivan, it is said that Lord Krishna visits every night, dances, eats, and then as the sun rises, he leaves.